Guys, I don't know what my drawing tablet is. I literally just have the thing. This is like all that's left of my drawing tablet. Oh, it's right here. It's right next to me. This is the Wacom. You can literally get this small one. All you need is a small one for like 30 to 50 bucks on Amazon. Like, I'm not even kidding. When people go, oh, you need a big like screen tablet. Oh, you need to spend like $200 or like $1,000. Like, that's bullshit. I had a proper one for like $1,000. It broke. It was shit, right? It just went to shit. This, I use it all throughout high school, and I bought it for uni. It's the best thing ever. And I drew on my iPad, and then I drew with this, and my teacher's like, oh wow, I see you've upgraded your equipment. And it's like, yeah, I bought one for 30 bucks. I kind of want to continue with the birds, guys. Okay, you guys are gonna have to guess what fruit this is. Oh, you just gave it away really easily, but... Mango? No. Pumpkin? No. Peach? Nuh-uh. No. I think I know why you're messing it up though, but... Pear? No. No, no. Wait, I thought strawberry. Yeah. She got it. It's a strawberry. Strawberry hat. I was supposed to do that with the avocado. I think it's because it's upside down. People are like, what? Why is... What is it? But, it's really hard to draw it like normal way, so... I don't know why, but this looks like a pigeon. A pigeon strawberry. I did not know how to get the right color for the strawberry. I want to make the strawberry look nice and plump, cutesy, and colorful. The pink strawberry. Maybe that's a little bit nicer, a bit more color into it. Hopefully, that looks like a strawberry. Look at that. Look how cute it looks. I'm so happy. I gotta figure out what bird. I don't know why, but a pigeon is calling me for this bed. I like want to make this bed a pigeon, even though pigeons and strawberries like have nothing to do with each other. But no, the pigeon though, they have the like the colors on their neck, but sadly, that's literally what's being covered up, so maybe we'll do it so it's like showing a little bit. I feel like I should give it open eyes because pigeons respectfully kind of look dumb. Like, they just look like they're not fully there. I'm having so much fun drawing these pigeons. I think I need to do some black on it. And the little orange feet, I didn't even realize they have like really bright orange feet for some reason. That's so like weird. I'm too busy focusing on pigeons' dumb actions that I like never noticed they have orange feet. I like the fruity birds. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, I still gotta do the color in that. I actually wonder why pigeons have like this like glow. So goofy and unique. I mean it kind of matches though, because like the pigeon has a green. Okay, all the birdies get like a nice cute resting face. And then our pigeon, we're just gonna do he's gonna look like that. Bro, it looks so cursed. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. Oh, pardon me. It's gonna be like a banana one, but I don't really know how to do it because they're getting like really difficult. It's like a mini banana. Is this cute? The little banana one? That is a very dark blue. Oops. Hopefully this looks good. I'm actually having so much fun, like, drawing these birds, dead set. They're so cute. Oh, it has like a red beak. I didn't realize these birds have like red eyes as well. That kind of like scary. This one has like so many colors as well. Pretty birdie. Okay, I'm feeling really bad for this bird. Like, I don't think the eyes are doing it justice, you know? It looks scared for its life. Let's go back. And now I made it feel better. You know what? Drove this one. I'm cooking. I'm pretty sure kookaburras always look a little bit grumpy, so maybe I'm wrong, but that's what like I gather from. It's a pumpkin with the kookaburra. Pumpkin kookaburra. Maybe it could be a different fruit, but I think it should be a pumpkin. I don't know why, but it should be. I don't really think of any other fruits. Because it's so like, it's so round. I'm gonna have to get a little reference for the kookaburra. So like right now, for instance, I don't need to like worry too much because this is already done. I can just like pick the colors and I don't have to think hard. And then it turns out pretty as well. It's the best part. It's mine. So some nice like neon blue. And then there's also like some red on its tail, which is kind of like funky. I've noticed that with a lot of Australian birds. Like even the kookaburra. Brown. Put some in the hair. A bit. I need to find a darker color for this. So I'm just using brown as my shader. Is enough? I gotta color my pumpkin. I don't really think pumpkins have like a cute little leaf on them, so I'm just gonna do a nice stem. Bing-majing. Oh, look at it, guys. Look how cute the little kookaburra is. Easiest. It's probably like the weirdest looking croissant ever. There we go. think that's all the right colors, and then we gotta do the croissant. Make it look a little bit golden. Wait, I'm gonna do a layer above because sometimes if you don't, you can stuff it up. So, and then like I did it all back. That was like pretty good coloring in, and then I had to get rid of it. Layers are your best friend. Layers are my best friend. Boom. There we go. I love how we've just started moving away from like the healthy fruits and stuff, and we're now going on to like more condensed foods and stuff.